Hi guys, I'm Will. I've made this contraption. It's called the door closer. Let me show you how it works. First I'll let go of the rope off there and lower it down to the, lower the magnet down to the spoon with this ball in it, which will tip it into the hose, and it'll go down the hose, and once it's at the end of the hose it'll release the mouse trap, which will smash the pasta, which will let the rope go, which makes the ball swing down to knock that box out of the way, and then the bucket full of cricket balls drops down, which pulls on the rope and moves the forward controls on the remote control car, which makes the remote control car drive forward and close the door.
It shuts my sister out.
So let's give it a shot.
Can I stop it? No.
The ball's in. It didn't work.
Alright, freeze it there.
Okay.
Alright, take two. It didn't work again. Take three. Let's give it another shot. Take six.
What the hell?
It went up.
That was close.
What kind of a mousetrap is this?
Let me piff the ball at it. Buddy, turn. 9, 11, 13. Take 15. Take 18. Didn't set it off. 20. Take 2 of new design. Success!